I, Purkit Pukon, will tell you the numismatic tale of the first coin of kingdoms in medieval Northeast Indian states. In the period between 14th to 16th centuries, many kingdoms of Northeast India region started minting coins. Ratnamanikka, the king of Tripura, minted first coin with his coronation 86 SE or 1464 AD. He won the throne with the help of Bengal Sultan Nasiruddin Mahmud Shah. Coin minting technology was brought from Bengal. The same lion motif was used in Bengal coins. Later coins were minted with different types of lion motifs with other symbols. Tripura coins were made of gold and silver in round shape having Assamese Bengali script. King Birbijay Narayan minted first his name of Kasar Kingdom with the year 1442 SC or 1520 AD. It is believed that Khurrampa, the king of Kasar, took the name after victory in a battle against Coach Bihar. According to Ahom Puransi, he died in 1526 AD during struggle with Ahom. One of his descendants moved the capital from Dimapur to Maibong. In Maibong, the first Nibhaya Narayan in 1470 SC or 1548 AD. The coin had similar design to neighbors. Kasari coin were round shape. In records, the first king of Kush kingdom, Vishwasimha, minted coins. However, these coins are yet to be discovered. It is said that he had gifted 500 coins to Ahom kingdom in 1497 AD. After him, his son Naranayan took over the throne and minted coins with the coronation year 1477 AC or 1555 AD. His brother and commander-in-chief Shukladhwaja Simha, who popularly known as Silarai, made several military expeditions and expanded territory to Assam, Manipur, Tripura, Jaintipur, and Kasar. But Bengal Sultanate defeated him. The coins of Kush kingdom and all kingdoms under Kush sovereignty adopted the same design, dotted, bordered, round Assamese Bengali script. Kush coins had no motifs. Manipuri chronicles of 12th century tells the use of cowrie shells, also known as shell currency. To minimize the demand of cowrie shells, Manipur started minting bell metal coins. There are three types of denominations were minted by Manipur, namely Sel Mekhai, Sel Phaikak, and Sel Sao. The shell currency counted as 2 Sel Mekhai equal to 1 Sel Phaikak, 2 Sel Phaikak equal to 1 Sel Sao equal to 50 cowries. Later gold and silver coins were minted. Silver coins was called Rupatanka, which is equal to 200 shells. Gold coins were called Sanasanka, which is equal to 1200 silver coins. Researchers identified that Mayongba allies Khogemba, who ruled 1552 to 1597 AD, started to mint shell coins in Manipur. Big shell coins were started to mint during Goring Nivas, who ruled 1708 to 1748 AD. Shell coins were one side with initial character of Assamese Bengali script or Maitei or Devanagari script of the ruler, and the other side left blank. Gold and silver coins started in Manipur, which used Devanagari and script. Jaintiapur first dated coin started from 1485 AC or 1563 AD under Kush sovereignty. It is said that Jaintiapur gave 1,000 coins as tribute to Kush kingdom in the form of a vassal kingdom. These tributed coins were a mixture of earlier undated coins and neighboring state coins. Researchers say the earlier undated coins were minted by Borgosai I. During Kush sovereignty, Jaintiapur minted coins anonymously with the minting years. These coins were identified through chronological records. After independence from Kush kingdom, they started minting coins in the name and year. Most of Jaintiapur coins show similarity to Kush kingdom. These coins were round shape and had 4 weapon motifs. They are trident, sword, star shape, chakra, and bra, and gun. In search of Ahom coin history, researchers want to say that Sudangpha or Bamuni Kunwar had minted coins on his coronation. However, no coin have been discovered till date. Similarly, Suklengmung or Gorgoya Raja coins were recorded in the catalogue of Provincial Coin Cabinet of Assam, which later identified as coin in the name of Supungmung or Suklodhajja Singha. Research of import of coin technology. Chronological documents suggest that in 1563 AD, the Treaty of Majuli was settled down between the Kush king Naranayan and Ahom king Sukampha or Raja. According to these settlement terms of the treaty, Ahom kingdom had changed 100 peoples to Kush kingdom. After a few years, a few peoples had returned to their motherland. They witnessed the coinage technology and brought to it Ahom kingdom. King Susengpha or Pratap Singha made the plot for the minting process in Ahom kingdom, but the minting process was started by Sutamla Joydhajja Singha in the name of Swarganarayan with the coronation year 1570 AC or 1648 AD. He had also minted Chinese trade coin, but this coin left unused due to Nepal monopoly in Tibetan roots. Most of Ahom coins were octagonal shape, which have dragon motifs, and Assamese, Bengali, Ahom, Persian script. In the end, the study of numismatics gives information about the past, moreover, bears a history of mankind.